Hello everyone, my name is Dipen and today I am going to talk about the esports GM100 gaming mouse which I bought for myself. So let's begin with the price. On Amazon it costs around 1000 rupees, but you can get this for 850 from MD Computers. Links are in the description. Let's get started with the unboxing first. Sorry for the poor video because that's all I have got. For now, I will definitely improve myself in future videos. Inside the box, you get mouse warranty card and a welcome card. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this gaming mouse. First is DPI. In this mouse, you get 4 DPI levels which are 1200, 2400, 3200 and 4800, which is very good for the price you pay and more than enough for all the games out there. And this mouse also comes with 4 different adjusting polling rates, which are 125Hz, 250Hz, 500Hz and 1000Hz, which is great to have if you are a serious FPS player and play lots of FPS games like CSGO, Call of Duty, PUBG and Fortnite. Now in this mouse you get 6 buttons which supports macro editing through esports easy to program gaming software, which is really great if you play games like Dota 2 or LoL. The mouse also comes with 5 multicolor illumination effect, not RGB, so you cannot change the color of the mouse, but you can switch between 5 effects with the provided button which is underneath the mouse. Now let's talk about the build and overall quality of this mouse. The mouse is quite sturdy for sure, which I found in my day-to-day use, and personally I like the form factor and design of the mouse. It fits perfectly in my palm and gives me a good grip. The mouse is matte finished, which looks very nice, and the wires are braided and of good quality paired with gold plated USB. That's it for now. I will make an in-depth review of this mouse after using it for a while. Thank you for watching.